How am I so motivated to study? How do I study so much? Let me break it down for you. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. So recently I've been getting a lot of comments that everyone has their pre-boards and you have not finished your syllabus till now, and how do I study and how are you studying so much? So I thought I'll make this video because 3 months में boards है and we all need the motivation to study. So this video will definitely help you, and I'll share a few tips and tricks that will motivate you to study harder. And without further ado, let's get started. The first and the most important thing is the why. Like, why are you doing this? Why are you studying so hard? Now don't tell me कि marks लाने, that is obvious, but what's the bigger goal? So recently I've been getting a lot of comments regarding SRCC, so I'm assuming a lot of people want to go there. So we need a high percentage and you're studying for that, agreed. So that is like a dream, like you have to go into that college. So similarly you could have like a bigger goal, a certain kind of life you want to live, or a certain career path you've chosen for yourself, and that is the biggest motivator. And honestly, if that doesn't motivate you, then your goal is just not big enough. You have to think harder about why you're doing it. I swear it will motivate you to study. Like, that's literally all I do. I just think about the kind of life I want to live, and yeah, I just get motivated to study. The next thing is to follow the 5-minute rule. This is like so common, but in case you don't know about it, all you have to do is just spend 5 minutes doing the task. Like, this is to avoid procrastination. Just get up, go to your study table, open the book, and just trick your brain into studying for 5 minutes. Like, decide I will only study for 5 minutes, and after that you will automatically be motivated to complete the entire chapter or whatever you're doing. It really helps because all you have to do is just get started, because once you start, sab apne aap ho jayega, so you don't have to worry about that. The second thing is just do not compare yourself to anyone. Everything is relative. The time you've spent on studying, what you want to achieve, everything is different. So for example, like, I'm posting study vlogs and you see like, oh, I've completed my entire syllabus, but it shouldn't matter to you because what I'm doing is different from what you're doing. You're calling your friend and you're like, okay, uska pura syllabus ho gaya, and maybe you're like left with like 2 chapters. It doesn't matter because you have time and you can do it. It doesn't matter तुम्हारे दोस्त का 10 चैप्टर हो गए या मेरे 2 चैप्टर हो गए. It just doesn't matter. You have to focus on yourself and what you want to achieve. But also, if you like watch study vlogs and you see people like, oh, उनका इतना syllabus हो गया, and if that motivates you, then that's great for you. But otherwise, if you feel demotivated by looking at another person कि उसका तो इतना syllabus हो गया, then just don't compare yourself to anyone. The next thing is to understand your study pattern and like what style of studying you prefer. So for example, like, some people like to study at night instead of the morning, although I don't recommend that. But again, it's totally your choice. If you are more motivated and energetic to study at night, then I would totally recommend that for you. Otherwise, people prefer early mornings, and again, it's totally your choice and preference. And also, like, a lot of people don't enjoy reading the text over and over again, so you can maybe watch YouTube videos to supplement your content and to understand better. So you have to have a balance between both and choose what you enjoy doing more, because only then you will be motivated to like come and study. So you have to choose what works best for you. The next and also one of the most important things is to follow a routine, because it just gives like a structure to your day and you know what needs to be done at what point. I'm not saying that you have to make this elaborate routine, but like something as simple as just waking up at a specific time and then completing all your daily activities and stuff, and then deciding a time to study every day. So your brain is automatically stimulated to that thing कि okay, अब पढ़ाई करनी है. So you know, you are automatically motivated to like study. The next thing is to exercise and do some sort of physical activity. I don't mean you have to do like this 30-minute 1-hour workout or something, nothing like that. As like something as simple as just going for a walk with your friend. It's also scientifically proven to boost your motivation. So you should definitely include some form of physical activity in your routine. Like for me, usually I just go down with my friend for a walk, or we go for cycling. It's like a form of relaxing and taking a break from studying basically. Which also brings me to the next thing, that you should definitely take breaks while studying. It's so important because it just helps you to study for a longer period of time. And if you're like studying continuously, you might just get bored after 2 hours and then you will just not end up studying at the end of the day. But if you like take mini breaks in between, it's just going to boost your motivation. You can even like study for longer hours, like the Pomodoro technique, in which you like study for 45 minutes and then you take a 15-minute break. That's the whole point of using this technique, that you're you're taking breaks in between so that your brain gets time to like process all the information and you also get like a time to chill, and that will definitely motivate you to study more. The next thing you can do is to have a to-do list where you're like writing all the tasks to be done, obviously, because that will also really motivate you, because the satisfaction of completing a task and then cancelling it out of the to-do list is the best feeling ever, because you feel like, okay, I've accomplished something today, and that motivates you to complete all the other tasks also you've written. And also when you have like a to-do list and when you can see it in front of you, you're automatically reminded that ye bhi karna hai, ye bhi karna hai, so it automatically motivates you to study. Also, I personally prefer like creating a to-do list the night before instead of the morning, so I don't have to waste time in deciding kya karna kya hai. So instead I just plan it out at night that what needs to be done, and then like in the morning I just start doing whatever I need to. The next thing you can do is talk about your accomplishments. So suppose you've completed a chapter, like just tell anybody, tell your friend, go and tell your mom that oh maine aaj ye kar liya, because the satisfaction of accomplishing something that you were procrastinating for so long is like such a good feeling, and then that also motivated you to like study harder ki acha ab ye bhi accomplish karna hai, ye bhi karna hai, ye bhi karna hai. So it automatically just motivates you to, you know, study more or do whatever. It's just going to help you. Like try it out, just try talking about your accomplishments. It's similar to like a to-do list where you're cancelling out something because you've accomplished the task. So it's something like that, because when you feel like you've accomplished something, it's one self-esteem boost to that. Basically like, oh, I've accomplished something and now I want to, you know, do more stuff. Talking about your accomplishments is a great way to motivate you to study harder. Last but not the least is to watch videos like this, like the one you're watching right now, like watching motivational videos on YouTube, or even listening to podcasts on Spotify, or like wherever you listen to podcasts, and even watch study vlogs. A self plug, and go check out my study vlogs. I'll leave a link in the description. Is a great way to keep yourself motivated, because when you're listening, somewhere in the back of the mind it is getting stored and then you're realizing, and it just helps you to get motivated. Like right now you're listening to me and I'm sure this video might have motivated you at least a little bit to study harder. So I do recommend watching YouTube videos and podcasts. And yes, that's it for this video. I really hope this motivated you to study harder. I'm also a student as you, and I know it is so tough to stay motivated all the time, but I also use these tips and they really do help me to get through all the procrastination and the demotivation. So even if you found like one of these tips helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any video ideas or recommendations, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.